guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this. That's strands in a mug. Wonder what you got to do. Official one. It's got this information on the top, which is Hogwarts stuff. Oh, what we're gonna need. Right, we'll need an egg, vegetable oil, and some milk. Rinse and dry the mug. In the mug, combine the cake mix, egg, oil and milk. Stir until smooth. Add sugar strands and top and fold the batter over sugar strands. Do not stir. Microwave 2 minutes, less than 1 minute, and enjoy. Okay, let's get this opened and we'll go from there. See you in a bit. Okay, so the bowl has been rinsed out and cleaned, and this is what we've got in the box. We've got these sprinkly things. Okay. And we have this, which is the cake mix. So I need to add the other ingredients and go from there. Okay. Let's see the next stage. Right, okay, so I've now put the egg in there and the 15 mils of oil and milk. So I'm going to give it a stir, see what happens. Okay, right, give it a stir. Well, it's coming together. Looks like hubble bubble, tile and trouble. Right, give it a good mix. See that? It's a bit cakey. A bit cakey-fied. Just go around the circle. Right. Okay, I'm going to keep mixing it. Come back. Right, so now I've combined it all. I've ended up using a spoon instead of a fork. And it's quite smooth, as you can see. It's quite smooth. So now, what we've got to do now, it's like a batter. Okay, so now I've got to add the strands on the top and fold it in. So that's the next stage. Okay, so now it's all folded in. I just folded them sprinkles in because it told you to fold them in. Yeah, fold in the sugar strands, see? On the top, and fold the batter over the strands. Do not stir. And then I've got microwave for 2 minutes and let it rest for a minute. Okay, so let's get it in the microwave, or the microwave, as Nigella would say. Okay, here we are. 2 minutes set on the microwave. Let's go. It's in there, as you can see. It come round. Okay. Cross your fingers it'll come out well. I'll show you how it comes out. Watch this space. Okay, we're a minute in. We've got half a minute left. There. Look at it. It's gone really big. I'm hoping it'll stop, because it's getting massive. Look at it. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. It's nearly finished. Okay, whew. Just got to let it rest now. Okay, well, this is what it actually looks like after a minute of resting. It's massive. Look at it. And it's still not, it's cakey. It looks cakey. It looks really nice. Let's give it a go, shall we? Let's get a spoon. Okay, give it a try. Okay. Oh, it's quite fluffy. Okay. Do you know what? That is a lovely flavoured, moist chocolate cake. Sprinkles are still in there. They were just like folded. But that's a brilliant. That was from the card factory. Got it as a bargain. Well worth it if you like Hogwarts. I love Hogwarts. And the mug's brilliant for afterwards. They have soup in there. Whatever you want. So yeah, well happy with that. Yummy!